Hi, welcome to day 10 of our 30 Days to Clutter-Free challenge. Today we are going through basically all winter clothing. So it is going to be jackets, hoodies, scarves, mittens. If you have like winter socks or winter boots, let's just call this the winter clothing category. I'm excited because I've been eyeing a couple of sweatshirts that I already know I don't want, so I'm ready to pull them out of the closet. I would recommend looking for things that are broken, like make sure zippers still work. If it's a ski jacket or something like that, make sure it still fits you. Anything that needs to be repaired, now would be a great time to do that. Anything that you're not wearing anymore, shelters love winter gear. Schools, there's so many places that are always looking for jackets and things to keep people warm during any time of year. So I'm going to get started and let's see what I'm able to come up with. We also keep some of our winter jackets in the entryway closet. So I'm going to make sure to go through these as well. I went through my closet and only focused on winter stuff. I was able to pull out some sweaters that I no longer wear, a scarf, and one hat. So that's it for me for today, and I'll see you tomorrow.